I'm Shilpi Nigam and I'm Head of Design with JCPenney India IBO, and I've been with the company for 11 years, and I'm a NIFT fashion design graduate batch 97-2000, and I have a total industry experience of almost 23 years now. So it's been a long journey. So first of all, thank you for the invitation, and it was great being at IIAD and meeting the students who are a very passionate bunch, and it was great listening to their viewpoints and thoughts about social impact. And my views on the topic of social impact are pretty, to summarize, they're pretty straightforward. What the industry people are currently talking about is that businesses cannot exist without social impact, right? So whether you want it or not, you are creating impact by just existing and by being in business. So you might as well become conscious and aware about the kind of the impact you are creating, and make sure that your social impact is for the positive of the future generation and for the planet. So social impact is extremely important as a business, and even as a creator, as a fashion designer, or even a designer of any product. You have to understand that everything that we do causes impact. And what that impact is, we can actually engineer it to be positive impact. See, it's as designers, we have a huge responsibility on our shoulders, because not only that design has to be successful and commercially viable, it has to speak to the audience, it has to have a connect with the consumer, with the end consumer, but it also has to be sustainable, in the sense that just to produce that one product, the resources that are being used in it should not be so extravagant that the cost of that product goes up, or the carbon footprint of that product is so much that it is damaging to our environment. So as a designer, we have a lot of responsibility as to what product we are creating and what materials are we using to create that particular product. And of course, if we are working for any business or any big multinational company or any other, even if it is a startup company, we have to understand that businesses exist to make money, everybody exists to make profit. But having said that, social impact and making money goes hand in hand. The better your social impact, the more money you can create, the better brand value you will have, the better connect you will have with the customer. So it's actually social impact feeds into your goal of becoming a profitable business. In today's day and age, you cannot remove social impact, you cannot separate the two. If you have to be a profit-making business, you have to understand that you are part of the community. So you're living within that community, and if you speak with the community and you interact with the community and you create that social impact, that's when you're going to be able to make that profit from that community. I think the IIAD Industry Conclave was a pretty insightful and thoughtful event, and bringing together so many different minds from different parts of the industry was a pretty good idea. It was great listening from the students. One of the things which I noticed from my years as a student and today's students, there's a lot of difference, because there's a lot of exposure. So students these days are very well informed, and it was great to hear that students are aware of these practical problems that the industry is facing, and they are passionate about finding solutions for them. So I think all in all, it was great hearing from the faculty and students and everybody else. Yeah, the only thing I'd like to say is that we live in an information age, right? If I may say so, we are over-informed about everything. We are being bombarded by information from all sides on all topics, and I feel that it's very important for creative people to go into an industry or any space that they want to go into with a very open mind, because even though you have all the information, the practical experience of working in a particular industry is still going to be very different. So I would just say that keep an open mind and be as flexible as you can, because technology is changing very fast, the industry space is changing very fast. So the more adaptable you are, the better you will survive in the industry, and the more you'll be able to influence the industry.